Faber Piano Adventures Level 3A, pages 4 and 5. The song is called Sakura. This is a traditional Japanese piece. In this piece we learn the ostinato, which is a musical pattern that is repeated over and over. In this case, with this piece, the musical pattern will be played in the left hand, and it will be played over and over. Alright, let's find our positions. The first note is actually B in this one. So here's middle C. We're going up to B. We're going to put our fourth finger there, third on A, and our first on F. We're going to play that, and then the next set looks like identical to this on the page, but there's an 8 VA above it. So you have to move up an octave, and then it says 15 MA on the next set, move up an octave, then we're going to cross over with our second finger. So I'm going to play through the song, and then we'll talk about all the details. Don't forget there's pedal throughout this. Make sure you lift the pedal at the correct time. The left hand is going to be starting down here. So here's bass C, go down 2 to A, okay, B, C, D, E. We're going to be playing A and E, and then A and F in the left hand. That's that ostinato pattern. Alright, so let's pay attention to that. Here it comes. Now, try to slow down at the end because the ritardando at the end. And you'll also notice a dynamic marking at the end. Instead of it being P for piano, we see two P's, which is pianissimo, which means to play very soft. We also had to move up an octave higher at the end because the 8 VA sign, so watch out for that. Now I'm going to walk through this again and just talk about all the details as they play. So let's go back to that B with our fourth finger, 3 on A, and then our 1 should be right here on F. In your left hand, remember it's bass C, go down 2 to A, A, B, C, D, E. Now watch as I play, I'm going to talk about all the details. So right hand, go up an octave, another octave, cross over with your second finger, come back down here, we're playing C and A, this is a sixth. Hold that position to slide up a sixth. Now we're playing a sixth in the bass. Go back to the fifth and the original sixth. Now our third finger has to move up to A. Cross over with your third finger now to E. And cross over with your second finger to B right there. Third finger up to A. It's important to look at the fingerings. Cross over with your third finger to E. Cross over with your second to B. Here's that sixth again. Hold the position, another sixth. Now right here, play the 1, 3, turn your 1 under, third finger there, second finger over. Then we play this pattern again, octave higher, slow down, okay? And that's basically the piece. So make sure you get all your fingerings. You're turning, crossing over with your third finger, and crossing under with your 1, and crossing over with your 2. Also, when you play your intervals, just hold that position and come up and drop on the next interval above. It's the same interval. This is a sixth, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just keep your hand in that position, locked in, and then shift up. Okay? That should be enough for you to play Sakura. This concludes the piece.